Alright, this is a box of 2011 baseball update. So maybe we'll get something interesting. This is just a retail box, I believe.
It's been a wild couple of weeks for the Lions. First involving the end of that 49er game. Harbaugh and Schwartz trying to block the kick. Was Willie Young and a fair catch called for by Logan. Back at the 20. The Detroit Lions defense coming up big today.
Alex Aviva Diamond.
If you're going to build a fuel-efficient car, the first thing you got to do is make a car that's worth building.
Diamond giveaway. Jimmy Fox mini.
It has all the luxury you'd expect. And pride that you can notice from down the street. Then, and only then, will you put in and see transmission that gets 31 miles per gallon. That combination of luxury and efficiency only comes from one place in the world.
Miguel Tejada.
Oh, yeah! Can we show you something? Wouldn't it be great to feel like this all the time? Yeah! What's up? Well, with the Chase Freedom Card, you get 5% cash back on $1,500 for purchases. And new categories every 3 months. And 1% on everything else. So that, man, this must be my lucky day. Feeling can go on.
Alex White rookie.
You look good. You look good.
Get your cash back. Chase Freedom.
Live for your vote. Who will bring it? You are the real deal. The X Factor. All new live Wednesday at 8, 7 Central on Fox. Today's game is sponsored by
Matt Holiday.
coverage of every NFL game on NFL Mobile. Call Star
Let's see, number 2011. Rookie Charlie Furbush.
Here from the tremendous enthusiasm that we experienced before this game, and the scoreboard tells you why. And it's the first down for the Lions on the 21. Stafford has completed 17 of 25. Maurice Morris off the left side. And Morris brings it out. For a gain of
Nolan
6.
Ryan.
McBean on the tackle. They'll get coverage of every NFL game on NFL Mobile. Call Star NFL to get NFL action right on your phone.
Dick, in a game like this is where John Fox, he says all the time, we're still learning this team. Right now, I'm watching, I'm seeing which of my guys are fighting, because those are the guys you want to be forward with. Which of my guys are trying still to be the guys to turn this game around.
Logan, who returns the kicks, is out on the left as a receiver.
Michael Pineda.
Johnson. And that is his 5th reception of the game. Chris Harris on the stop. And a gain of 9. And another first down after the 35.
5th reception is a game. And if I'm not mistaken, 4 of them have come from the slot when he's lined up against this guy, Chris Harris, rather than Champ Bailey. The other one being a quick screen. Easy adjustment for the Broncos to make to move Champ Bailey in.
Carlos Beltran.
And the Lions are going to keep taking advantage of that.
Let's see how many more we got.
First down. Picks up about 3.5 yards.
Alright.
Take a look at the Lions' offensive leaders. Stafford has not made a mistake in this game. Thrown for 208 yards and 2 touchdowns. Maurice Morris, who is playing for a job at best, 49 yards and 11 rushes.
Joe DiMaggio.
4 yards a carry. And
Mini.
Johnson shut out in the first quarter. That's 5 receptions.
Stafford's been
Sure. Pre-order now for Xbox 360.
Hey, Everyone's eating tacos outside Bill's office.
Do you think that's some information I would like to know?
I like tacos.
You invited Eric? I thought Eric gave you the creeps. Oh. Yeah. Hey.
Don't be left behind. Get it faster with 4G. AT&T.
Now boarding group 4 to Barbados. Babe, no cell phone.
Minnie,
Let's check this text.
Oh no.
Adrian Gonzalez.
McRib is back. I'm gonna miss it.
I'm married to...
McRib saucy goodness is back for a limited time. The simple joy of big news.
Well, it jumps out to here, -7 passing yards, and 0 for 8 third down conversion. And none of that's pretty. You talked about it, the opening 55 minutes was pretty ugly last week. The difference, you were playing a defeated team in the Miami Dolphins. You're playing a really good football team in the Detroit Lions, and that will not get it done. First down from the 26, Moreno. Juke his way. Looks like about 3.5 around the tackle.
Alex Torres,
The gap integrity,
Rookie.
the tackling, that they haven't been doing it, this Detroit Lions defense. Everyone in the gap, good sound tackling, numbers on the ball carrier. That's good defense. That's going to make Gunther Cunningham and Jim Schwartz happy.
Second down and 7. Play action. Tebow doesn't see anything downfield. Ad-libs and overthrows Eddie Royal. That time Cliff Averill, who has scored his first NFL touchdown, has 2 sacks, and has forced 2 fumbles. Great pressure there, and now it'll be another third down try.
We had a great conversation with Gunther Cunningham, the defensive coordinator of the Lions the other day. He said, here's our keys to win. We got to stop the run. We got to stop 15. We got to make them throw. If we can, watch out. It's going to be a long day for him. The script is going out.
Check, check, check.
Yep.
Third and 7. Tebow, incomplete. Royal, covered by Alan Berry. And that
Alright, last one.
fourth down, and if you're seeing the Lions with their 3 and outs on the bench,
Alex Rodriguez, Minnie.
more 3 and outs than any team in the NFL coming into this game.
Alright, and that's it. Alright, a quick recap of the Topps 2011 baseball. Got 5 diamond giveaways.
Come in, and it's the accuracy.
Top 60s.
There's accuracy for Drew Brees. It's do you want it on the 1 or do you want it on the 9? Right now, throwing the football accurately is just a tough deal for Tim Tebow.
And some minis.
Can you improve upon that? I think you can. I think it takes
Alex Rodriguez, Joe DiMaggio, Jamie Foxx, Adrian Gonzalez. Also got some of these diamonds.
Wheeling Williams. Cutting outside and picking up about 2.5. Wesley Woodyard on the tackle.
And some other diamonds.
Have some new plays that we haven't seen from Tebow to operate within the quarterback.
I think so. I think to give the kid a chance to be successful, I've belabored this point all day, but it's because I haven't seen it. The quick, rhythmic throws. There's nothing wrong
And
with
then
the
these Alex Torres rookie, numbered to 2011. Carlos Beltran, numbered to 2011. And Matt Holliday,
Second down and 8.
numbered to 2011. And that's